All right, international units, but complicated this time. A solution contains 500 units per milliliter, comes in an 18 milliliter package. Patient requires 3,000 units 3 times a day for 7 days. How many packs of the solution should be given to the patient? Oh dear, where to start? They want the total number of packs. I'm going to start with the 7 days and work my way in. What we've got is 7 days worth of medication we need. Then they give us a ratio with 3 doses per day. Remember how we set these up. We want to have a fraction that cancels out our original unit and introduces a new unit. So if we have 3 doses every 1 day, that takes care of the 3. Now, there are 3,000 units in a dose. 3,000 units in 1 dose. What we're setting up here is that the days cancel the days, the doses cancel the doses, and so on like that until we get to the end and only have 1 unit remaining. Next thing we have is units per milliliter here. This solution contains 500 units per milliliter. In other words, 1 milliliter of this solution is needed for every 500 units you want to get into a patient. And finally, it comes in 18 milliliter packages. You can say you will need 1 package for every 18 milliliters required. Whew. They aren't normally this long, but it can happen. And as long as you set up your units like this, you will be just fine. Everything cancels out, you notice, except for packages, which is exactly what you want. When you go down to the pharmacy, you want to say, hand me this many packages, and over a week, we're going to get those into our patient. How much are we actually talking about here? Let's see. 7 times 3. 7 times 3 times 3,000. You notice I'm ignoring the ones because multiplying and dividing by 1 makes no difference at all. Divided by 500. And also divided by 18. And that gives us, oh, I wasn't sure that would come out to a round number, but it's wonderful that it does. 7 packages. Over the week, we will give this patient 7 packages spread out over 3 doses a day.